It's really well known that Chinese and China has a big impact to the rest of the world, especially in Forex and especially in a lot of shares. And there is one share which has a huge impact even to German shares. Let's have a look at this one. As you can see in the chart, this is Evergrande, China Evergrande Group, and you see the chart. Oh, that's a gambling paper in the meantime. But from the perspective of trend following, it's really, really interesting. But not for a new buy, not for a new sell. It's just gambling. But look at the past. And I want to show you this one because this is really, really interesting. Because even you don't know or you don't know anything about this share, then you can see it was pure trend following. Bam, down to zero, almost zero. And where was the selling zone? Always in the correction. And even the last sharply dropped down from May 2020 roundabout, there was the huge sales and huge possibility to sell this share without knowing that Evergrande will have a huge financial problem. But you see, it's pure trend following. And in daily chart, it's a little bit closer to see that. So, and here you can see the same, the last top in July 2020, you can see, oh my goodness, it was really, really cool to see this trend following system down, and you can follow just the trend and make money without knowing anything about this share. But does it have any impact to the rest of the proprietary shares? We will see it in the German one is Deutsche Wohnen, for example. And here is a little bit different. Because if we go here, you can see, there was the impact too. Look, from this point, October 21, where the problems with Evergrande became published, and then it has a huge impact here. But even with trend following, you have the great chance to follow the downtrend. How cool is this? Look, just a little bit rough here, and you see that was really, really cool. And since that time, we are in a kind of sideways phase, but that was the great chance to sell. And you see, this is another perfect example without knowing anything about any shares, something like that, with trend following strategy to make money. Is this share kind of a buying position right now? Let's go a little bit closer to the chart, and then we will see, look, that's really, really interesting, because there was a double low here in March 2023. Here was that point, and since that, maybe we will have a new uptrend. Look, 1, 2, 3, and here there was a good buying chance, and here again we can see here there's a kind of supporting zone here. Look at this one, really interesting. So therefore around about 22 or 23 euros there is a good buying chance, maybe with a stop loss closer or a little bit far away here at 19 euros, and of course maybe on the upper side just follow the trend. So you see the Chinese people or the Chinese companies have a huge impact to shares around the world, especially here in this proprietary shares. I hope you have kind of interesting topics and kind of interesting parts here in this video. Looking forward to see you in the next video tomorrow with the next brand new shares. It's me, Marcus from How Trading. If you want to know more about logical trading, then you will find information right below this video. See you tomorrow.